Absolutely beautiful.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's a little bit of a different setting here. I actually like this room quite a lot. There's enough lighting in the background, and basically the whole room is different from the rest of the house. It's completely painted like a reddish maroon. So honestly, I have no excuse to not be able to upload videos on the daily like I should have been doing. But like I said, this channel is my journey. This channel is just doing life things. Like, of course, I want to make it more towards the entrepreneurial side, more towards Amazon FBA. I'm still, of course, you guys probably know this, but the Chinese holiday is technically still going on. I think for maybe a couple of days or so now. However, I've been waiting for so long. I'm ready to get into my product. Like, I know what product I want to do. I know, you know, what I have to do well with it. I'm just, you know, waiting for the suppliers to get back. So that's basically my life status right now. And yeah, that's basically it. And my dog is whining right now. So I'll show you guys, I guess, my daily vlog. So honestly, like, I'm literally just so bored. There's my dog. I'm gonna let her out because she's been outside basically for most of the day. I just had to bring her back in, but it is a beautiful day outside. Let me show you guys. Absolutely beautiful. It is quite a sunny day here in Snellville, Georgia. If you guys don't know where I live at, that is where I live. All right, let's go. Hey, sit. Good girl, good girl. All right. You guys already know, getting that iced tea. You know, iced tea on a sunny day like this. I wish I had the money to buy a bike. So, cause literally I would just ride around in Atlanta. I just love the weather here. You know, I would go outside and vlog, but I live in a neighborhood. Honestly, I'd be self-conscious about myself. I live in a neighborhood where the houses are literally right next to each other. In the windows, you can basically see into people's backyards. So I'm actually genuinely scared to actually do that. So I'm going to school part-time. I'm still working every once in a while. And I basically just have enough money. I'm starting where I can start my product. Yeah, so I basically have enough money to start my product, you know, and also to do the, you know, PPC, do viral launch, and, you know, pay for other FBA fees for the actual giveaways when I'm doing the product launch. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Just the vlog. I want to do this daily. I keep losing it. I keep just like losing the interest in doing these videos, but I know it's very important for myself and for other people to give them value and to just, you know, entertain you guys. So that's basically it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. I've always been loving.